Hello again. Today I will show you how the submit application works in action. What we have, actually we have the same profile as we had in the first video. We will use the second small one for submit of simulated budget only, just to show you the workflow. So in general, you go to the submit application, assume your user has all the required roles, you press edit, then you select the profile, then you have a list of applications in this profile, then you need to tick to press the validate, and then the submit button is activated, and then actually you submit. But this is easy way. Let's go to the simulated budget and say it's not ready to be submitted. It's not valid. Let's go somewhere and let's say we end balance the simulated budget by 1000 krona. We save. So what I did, I just input some value and didn't uh, didn't balance the budget here. You can see the blue italic highlighting the problem, because this actually doesn't match by 1000 kronas now, so it's a problem. And then say another guy is trying to submit. We go here, select our simulated budget, press validate. Oh, and submit didn't wasn't enabled, and we see the red sign meaning that we cannot submit from this application because it's not ready, data is not valid. Okay, we go back to the simulated budget. We see, oh, there's a problem. We press edit and say we remove this 1000 kronas. You see highlight pencil on and then off. Okay, we save. We go again to submit application. We are consistent in our attempt. We press again. Oh, validate still not working. Oh, actually, yeah, we made the changes, but we didn't put any note on that amount here. Oh, some test note. Save. Wow, now it looks better. We go again to our submit application, edit, simulated budget, validate. Wow, now it's green. We see the submit button enabled. We press submit. It's a breakpoint, so the call goes to server. It takes some time. Okay, now it's submitted. How can you see that actually it was submitted? There is email coming out with the 3 files for simulated budget. There is email sent. Also, if you remember from the first video, we have parameter submit activity ID, so it's together with the task URL, it's used for sending out files to tasks. So files are sent to tasks. So as for other things, if you go to file system, then you will be able to see, actually there are duplicates here. Let's remove them because it's from previous submit. Okay, so we see that the files for today's submit, So actually you go to the configuration folder for it's configurable, but you go to the PRV configuration folder, you go to the submits, then this is the name, these are the names of the profiles. We submitted the simulated budget. You go in, it's today. The problem is that if you will submit several times a day, then the files will go into the same folder. Maybe it's a kind of improvement for future, but for testing purposes, you can just remove those files. And they are not shown anywhere for now, but we just keep them for the history purposes. So we can look what it is. Actually, it's simulated budget accumulated, then it's simulated budget non-accumulated, no difference because only one period we have for this project. And then those are the nodes, so those are our nodes here exported. So that's pretty much it about how the submit application works. So first you configure it, you create the profile, you configure the applications, and then it's pretty straightforward. You go here again, you select the profile. First you need to validate to make sure all your applications are valid, and then at that moment you can press submit, and the files will be first saved on the server to the folder for the history purposes. The second thing will be they will be sent via email, and the third thing is that they are sent to test through the integration to the specified activity ID. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching again.